Hi everyone, this is Cherry. So Cherry has been living here in Bangkok for how many years now?
20 years.
20 years. He's been
20
living here
years
in Bangkok.
already.
Here. And how many years have you been working with EW Villa Medical?
I've been working for this company for 17 years.
Wow. 17 years.
That long.
This kind of people that we want to keep in our company.
True.
But-
Thank you so
I
much.
know because it's already your passion. This is not just, it doesn't make it feel work anymore, right?
No, it's not.
You enjoy what you're doing.
Yes, but the most important thing why I've stayed this long, it's because every year I was like, this is it. I want to
Yeah.
change, maybe go back home and everything. But then you cannot just leave clients that you've been taking care for 10 years, 11 years, 12 years, 13 years,
That's true.
even 14 years.
They're like your family already.
It's a family already.
Yes.
You take care of the grandmom, the granddad, all the
Yeah.
kids. Now
Yes,
even
yes.
I'm actually taking care now of families, third generation already. Yes,
Oh my
that's
God,
the
that's
reason.
sweet.
That's the reason why it's now like going on for 17 years. We're now taking care of third generation.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes.
You really love what you're doing. It's
Yes.
the fact that it lasted to you that long in in this company that everybody trusts, and then the family that you handle trust you.
Yes.
And imagine mo from the lola to the anak ng lola and now the grandchildren.
And
The third generation already.
quite a number. They're big families.
Wow.
They're big families. I wouldn't remember sometimes the things that I have to do personally, but then I would remember, oh, this client has this kind of profile. This child wants strawberry ice cream. This child wants the pizza. It's more of a profiling.
We talked about it yesterday in one of the special case that interests me because I have friends that they have special child. Can you tell us about what the stem cells do for autistic kid? Everybody sometimes, I know this is expensive, it's not for everybody, but that is, when she was sharing me the story of this boy, one of their patients, miracle, they were able to control him.
We have many stories.
Can you please share us
Yes.
what the stem cells do for this special children?
We are actually taking care of a lot of kids. Autism, cerebral palsy, but for autism, there are so many families. However, we do not really put it in social media because a lot of families are really
Very
private people.
Yeah, not everybody will come out and tell, hey, my kids is special.
Yes.
But they're okay about it.
They're very much okay about it. When it comes to autism, the number one thing that we would always ask the parents is, when was the child diagnosed with autism? We would go through there with the age. Sometimes it comes with the diagnosis would be, it starts with global developmental delay. The motor function is not there or either nonverbal. We would try to gauge at what stage the child is when they are diagnosed with autism. The second important thing that we would always ask is, what is your expectation as a parent?
Yes.
If the parents would tell us, I want my child to be normal, immediately I would always say, like, we are so sorry, but I don't think we are the clinic for you. The reason why we would say this, because we do not want to provide any false hope.
Yes.
We do not want their money only and then, oh, I'm so sorry, it did not work. But that's not the way how we take care of the kids.
It's a process.
It is a process. And you see, the reason why for autism is there are many factors.
Yes.
However, there are different kinds
It's
of
different cases.
different cases as well. We have quite a number of, they start from nonverbal. There are also a case where when they would come, the parents would be wearing long sleeves because their child would bite them. They throw tantrums, and then there would be some who does not look at you, or they don't have any control with going to the toilet and everything. So we would always start from there. What happens is, when we provide cell therapy for children with autism, you have to understand that there is something wrong with the brain.
Yes.
However, in autism, we focus two brains. The first brain is here, which controls everything.
Yeah.
Basically, the reason why that they're not able to follow the instructions, no matter what you're going to say, therapies are good. Different kinds like speech therapy, all therapies are good from the outside. but you also
You
need
need to treat the
to
inside.
heal from the inside.
Agree.
So you need brain cells. The principle of cell therapy is like heals. If there is a problem with the brain, you need brain cells to regenerate or stimulate, or either the neurons will connect to each other and to be able to pass the message that when they listen, when they hear the instruction, they absorb it and they will follow the instructions. Another thing also is there is a second brain, and that's the gut.
Oh.
Autism kids, they are not able to break down sugar. That is why we would
They're very
always
hyper.
that is why we would always advise for autism kids, please avoid giving your children sugar,
Yeah.
because when they would take anything that is sweet, their body is not
Energy
able to break down the sugar. Then would come the tantrums.
Yeah.
Then they would throw in a
It's
fit.
because they cannot control.
They cannot,
don't know what they're
cannot
doing.
control it. Plus, the gut is not able to absorb the sugar.
Yes, 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 yes.
There are a few things. We would always try to heal the brain and the gut because they have to work together.
Oh,
Yes.
oh my God. There you go. You heard it from her that stem cells will help. It's not a cure, but it will help for your children to be more controlled.
Going back to the expectations, right? When they say that I want my child to be normal. So sorry, we are not. Autism is a long process.
Yes.
Together with cell therapy, together with proper nutrition and everything, and also the therapy, speech therapy, and all those things. However, a lot of the parents would say, I just want my child to say, for example, 4 years old, 2 years old already. I just want my child to say, Mama.
Simple words.
One simple word.
Yeah.
One simple word. But then when they do their cell therapy, and then they would message, Jerry, this one. There's so many stories. And then other things is like, I just want my child to tell me what they want, how they feel.
Mm.
Because a lot of these
For them to
non-verbal
understand.
kids, they would throw in a fit, they would do tantrums,
Yes,
they would
watching.
cry.
Yeah. I saw this in TikTok. I think it's a Singaporean kid, and the father would always film him every time he gets something. There's one incident in the car. Tear off his clothes and then scratches. The father is full of scratches, and it's not easy for a parents to have a children like that. It breaks your heart.
Oh, the case where the parents, the first time they were here, the parents were wearing long sleeves. So we gave them the treatment. Apparently, we would also tell the parents, especially the mom, Ma'am, if you want to be inside, then you can, but then you have to understand we have to do this. We do it on our medical team. They're very experienced. For that case, apparently the mom stayed outside
Yeah.
because she doesn't
Full
want
hunter.
it. I would always say, like, don't worry, we will take care of your child. And then so she was outside. We finished the injection. It was so quiet. And then this family came the second time, already wearing like,
Shorts
don't
and
you notice anything? I'm wearing shorts.
No more
They were wearing no
scratches.
more scratches. And then they were here on the third time. The child has become so loud. He was kissing the grandmom. He was singing. Very calm. There's so many stories. Every
So-
family is a different story.
It's starting to break my heart. No, because it's this young girl that, in the shelter that I'm helping in Bahay ni Maria. She has autism, and then at early age she was raped
Sad.
with one member of the family. I don't know, the uncle or whatever, the cousins, multiple times.
And there are many cases like this.
And
However, we
I hope
just,
sana our government, Philippines, maybe we can sponsor a kid or two to treat them, to give them the treatment, to help the family also. Because this case is not cheap. The treatment is not cheap. I'm reaching out to our LGU, to our Senate, to Health, Department of Health. Please, if we can just at least support or help one kid of every family in your LGU to have a treatment. So you're helping their family. I know it's not a lot from the budget that we have.
it's true,
So,
it's true.
so please, I'm reaching out everybody who can help. So I'm going to try to raise a fund for this girl that the shelter I've been helping them for so many years. And when I see her, she loves me. Every time I write, she's like that, and it's very loving. And when I heard about her story, and it's like it breaks my heart. I'll work on something that I can get a sponsor for her.
And then
And then we
will
can
also,
bring her here.
Yes, we will also try as much as we can what we can do from our side as well.
Yeah.
If only we can treat everyone, no, we will
Thank
try.
you. That would be nice.
However,
That would be nice.
let me also point out that there are families who are not able to afford this one, but when they would reach out to us, we provide them with free consultation. We provide them with the advice. With the
Do you have
nutrition.
also like an online consultation?
Oh yes,
Like
we
from
do.
from your patient from overseas.
We do.
There you go.
We
So
do,
if you
we
want
do.
online consultations, you can contact them. right
Yes,
away.
what happens is we do not want you to fly over here in Thailand just for consultation. No, with technology and everything, we do consultation online from all over the world.
There you go.
And no charges. It's
See,
free of
it's free of charge.
Yes,
So,
it's free of
guys,
charge.
This is a good deal already. Let's start from there.
Yes.
And just listen. You don't have to do it right away if you don't like to do it. If you do your research, like me, I did my research. That's why I'm here
Yes,
in
exactly.
Bangkok. I did it here in Bangkok. I did my stem cell because I did my research and the story that I've been seeing from people I know.
Yes. Let me also point out about how we do the treatment with the kids. Here in EW Villa Medica Bangkok, we do not provide any full anesthesia to the kids, even to the adults.
Yeah,
So
you
we're not
mentioned
even
that.
knocked
Yeah.
out
No,
yesterday,
no.
No, because
Also,
again,
just a local anesthesia.
it is only a localized anesthesia in the injection site because kids like autism and cerebral palsy, something is wrong with the brain.